Will open source win? Because what is special about these models? Awesome. Let's talk about the new AI model by OpenAI, O3 Alpha.
Yeah, I swear to God, the naming scheme. Besides the naming scheme, O3 Alpha seems to be a specialized variant of O3, which is like really focused in programming. And apparently, from what we know so far, is that it actually outperforms Grok 3 and other models. And a few days earlier, we also had Cmd+AI, which was on Cloud as Sonnet.
Yeah.
And the
Sonnet,
thing with
yeah.
generally these models is like they are growing more and more capable and with more and more context. I would really like to see in the LLM arena how this model will perform over the next few days.
So from what I read, OpenAI O3 Alpha is second on the arena. Brings me to another thing that I think is more interesting when it comes to this, and I want to know what you think of. Will open source win? Because what is special about these models? These are closed model, most of them. Some of them are open weight and some are open source. And if the foundational model and the end product that we have are getting better and better every single time, and open source ones are also included there, then to me it's like, why would OpenAI be a winner? Or like, why Microsoft and Google are spending so much money while open source is keeping up?
Base models, probably not. Like we have some base models have shown like Tiny Llama, and the training and fine tuning tools locally become insanely good, like Axolotl, and being able to run on very low requirements, being really effective. But the issue is these base models need so much data, so much infrastructure, so much. It's like it's not feasible. As an example, there's like right now a finished run where a model was trained decentralized with like multiple servers all over the world, maybe something like that, but not really, because you still need like €1 million in servers. So these like real open source models, I'm not sure, because they are still at the end of the day made by big companies. Let's say I cannot just go and make a big model.
No, I understand that, but they're still getting better.
Yeah, they're getting better, especially the small models. They get more and more capable, but they won't reach to the big players. There's a second category, and that's fine-tunes. And there I could imagine, yes, basically that when we have a base model, we can fine-tune it to be actually better than company released model. And the big category, which is in my opinion one of the most important category, I think in regards to tooling we will win. Because the issue with LLMs is, like, I wholeheartedly believe this, the big issue we have with LLMs right now is the tooling, or tooling is bad. As an example, the deep research is just a chain of tool codes. Or let's say with programming, why do we need to give all the code of literally everything method if we just have meta descriptions as an example, and basically just like let the LLM navigate basically a graph of function definitions and a description what the function does. It could way easier program applications to have like many more safeguards and easily track down bugs. We need to teach the LLM a fundamentally way safer and way basically a safer and more stable way to use tools and generative programming and things like that. And in that regard, I think open source will win. Basically, not on the model side, but on the tooling side.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.